All right, so yeah, straight out of the case, just got looking through it. They gave me a complete new set of speed knobs. Yeah, the knobs are it's all 4 of them replaced, brand new. They clearly shined it up. I could tell the bridge is straight as an arrow across there, and it obviously looks brand new. Yeah, I mean, they did a really fantastic job cleaning everything up. And here we go. Check out the inlays. They got like a bright, shimmery, pearly white to them. Not sure how well that's coming up on the camera, but it is crushing. I can't feel any kind of a lip or edge there at all. I'll say that the fretboard feels a little dry. We might need to get something on it to help soak in there. I'm surprised they didn't condition it better, or at least differently. They put Gibson strings on it, which that's fine. Gibson doesn't make strings. I'm sure they're buying them from someone. They're probably D'Addario's or Ernie Balls anyway. Yeah, but other than that, I noticed that my switch, whoops, that volume's still up. The switch is still just ever so slightly crooked. It has always been. So I'll have to fiddle because it moves at an angle. Like it moves to my left as it goes up and then down to the right. So the switch is just slightly crooked. That's so easy to fix, like who cares? But yeah, straight out of the box, just looks great. I had actually just started to play on it just a hair and decided to get Annie in here to run the camera. So. Action's a bit low. So with the action being that low, it's hard for me to get that bend without rolling onto the next string. Full bypass, that's just full tilt, go for it in every mode. Frets feel great. They feel a little bit taller. They feel just a little more defined than they were before. And I reckon I don't think they refinished these frets. I think it's a full fret job. I think they're replaced. They are replaced. Look, fret nubs are gone. You see right there on the tippy tips. Fret nubs are gone. So yeah, they did a full fret job on this thing. Anyway, inlay's good. Everything else feels good. All the electronics seem to function. Guitar looks fantastic. So, yeah, happy boy.